So these people, they sent letters to Hussein. Hussein radiallahu anhu sent his nephew or his cousin Muslim bin Aqil to Iraq. When Muslim bin Aqil went to Iraq, 12,000 people took pledge on the hands of Muslim bin Aqil. Thereafter, radiallahu anhu, when Muslim bin Aqil rahmatullah alayh was about to return, they told him, no, you stay here. We will send this pledge of allegiance and all the letters to Hussein radiallahu anhu. So the pledge of allegiance won't be taken personally, face to face. We'll write a letter with our names on it and we'll send this to Hussein. So Hussein radiallahu anhu received 12,000 letters from Iraq. And they were inviting him that now you come to Iraq so that we can elect you as a leader. However, Hussein radiallahu anhu, we mentioned again that his intention was not to grab leadership, nor was his intention to go against to create instability in the Islamic Empire. However, his intention was to bring back the same conduct that was, the same approach that was taken after the demise of the Prophet ﷺ, that all the Sahaba sat together and thereafter one Amir was elected. That should be done. Hussein radiallahu anhu embarks on this journey from Mecca going towards Iraq, going towards Kufa. It is mentioned that Abdullah ibn Abbas, Abdullah bin Zubair, Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu anhu, they approached Hussein radiallahu anhu and they said that on this journey we fear your shahadat. We fear that you will be martyred. These people, they have a history of rebelling. Who? This Balwa'i nation, which we mentioned, they rebelled against Uthman radiallahu anhu, they rebelled against your own father Ali radiallahu anhu. And then now they are inviting you and they're saying that we are sincere and we want to elect you as a leader, but it seems that they might again rebel against you, so don't take this journey. Hussein radiallahu anhu said that I'm not going there to fight. That's why Hussein radiallahu anhu, when he left, he didn't leave with an army. He didn't leave with any soldiers or any reinforcement. He only left with his family members from Mecca. He said, I'm not going there to fight, so they have no reason to wage a war against me. They have no reason to kill me. Let me go and see what is the situation in Kufa, and thereafter we'll go to Damascus and speak to Yazid as well.